Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to weave coconut leaf. Okay.
First, you have to cut it. Then, you got to make it into two pieces.
I made this into two pieces. Okay. Put this like this. So I can keep it here. We'll take the second one. Okay. Otherwise, you can even flatten this like this, and you'll have a very nice finish. Actually, if you flatten this. So if once it dries, you can see the difficulty. So you have to just soak this leaf in water for some time, so it will become a little bit smoother for you to handle it. You can use little bit salt, rock salt or sea salt, and just sprinkle and dry it with rock salt water, so that it will not get with this white ant. So now one up, one down, up, down, up and down. So because it has dried, it's a little bit tough. When you do it with green leaf, it will be very easy. But if you soak this in water, it will be little flexible for you than this. Okay. So when it is widened, you will get a much better coverage, and you'll have less holes. Everybody can do this, not at all a difficult job. If you have a little bit of interest, you can make the waste into use. This, if it is vertically hanged, it will be there for at least say 1 or 2 years easily. So instead of buying this plastic net and spoiling the environment, you can use this. So what we are doing is here, we are just putting it as using double thread, because it's too crampy here. So you get an wave like formation. So what we are how we are managing is, we are just, because the leaves are very broad here, using from both double, because the leaves are very wider here. You as tight as can, so you get a good finish. And this becomes very faster to view than flattening and weaving, so your productivity will increase. just locking this so that it doesn't turns out, and we get a neat finish too. Okay. Now this mat is ready. You can use it for privacy from scorching sun. You can also, after this get dried, you can either varnish it or have a touch wood finish, or paint it and use it in your decorations. It's looking so good. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button next to my subscription button. Bye bye.